So as you are watching, I want you to subscribe and then share the page. This is my YouTube channel, so that I'll be sending you more videos. So this is how the place looks like when it rains in Ghana. A whole market. It's a very big market. Very, very big market. See, there are a lot of people selling things over here. Are you watching? A very big market, and this is how the place looks like when it rains. You see this one, if you are not careful, you just fall down. So when you are walking, you just have to be careful, very, very careful. It's very serious. It's serious. I mean, this is Ghana, developing country. We are now developing. It's just serious, very serious. Okay, all right, that's right. Yeah. I don't even know where to pass. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.